In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a shape in Google Slides 50% transparent. This handy technique can add a subtle touch to your slides, helping viewers focus on the key elements of your presentation while maintaining an elegant and professional look. Now, we're going to cover two easy methods to achieve this effect. I'll walk you through each step so you'll be a pro at adjusting transparency in no time. Let's start with the first method, using the format options. First, find the shape you want to make transparent and click on it. Selecting the shape ensures that any adjustments you make will apply only to that specific element. After you have your shape selected, you need to open the Format Options panel. There are two ways to do this. You can either right-click on the shape and select Format Options from the context menu that appears, or head up to the top menu bar, click on Format, and then choose Format Options from the drop-down. Once you've accessed the format options, a new pane will appear on the side of your screen. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Adjustments tab. This area allows you a range of possibilities to modify the appearance of your shape. Among these tools, you'll find a slider labeled Transparency. To make your shape 50% transparent, simply drag that slider to the midpoint. You'll notice the shape becoming more see-through, giving it a refined, polished look. Now let's move on to the second method, which utilizes the Fill Color feature. Again, start by selecting your shape. With it selected, look for the Fill Color icon in the toolbar. It looks like a little paint bucket. Click on it, and a color palette will expand. From these options, choose Custom Color. This choice allows for a personalized touch by giving you full control over the color's opacity. Inside the color picker, you'll see another transparency slider. Gently drag this slider until it reaches the 50% mark. Your shape will instantly adopt a semi-transparent state, incorporating the customized transparency without changing its original color tone. And there you have it. Two simple yet effective ways to adjust the transparency of a shape in Google Slides. Whichever method you choose, you'll find that it enhances the overall aesthetic and functionality of your presentation. Whether you're spotlighting specific elements or creating a layered look, this technique can elevate your work to a more sophisticated level. Remember, playing around with transparency can also help you experiment with design elements and improve the visual hierarchy of your slides. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide empowers you to create stunning, impactful presentations.